Hey, check it out. My picture is Pikachu shooting at us somewhere, like it's exploding and stuff.
You think that's cool? I have a wiener saying, "Don't look at me. Top that off, bitch."
Oh, hell no. Really? I got a picture of a mouse telling another one, what will you do when you get to the top?
I have Mr. Play-Doh for President 2012, bitch. Yeah, suck on it.
Oh, really? Really? I've got a piece of toast spreading jelly over the tummy. Check it out.
You think that's funny?
Yeah.
I have a bread too, but it's spreading jelly and peanut butter.
Oh, hell yeah. Check it out. Unicorn with a mustache, ho. Check it out. You've seen it here first.
Well, I have lousy pickup line number 42. So, you're a girl.
Really? Panda with 2 guns. Check it out. You'd be surprised how Panda can kill you 2 guns. Did you know they're too lazy to reproduce? Yeah. Check it out. And it's purple background, ho.
Oh yeah, well I have a picture that says, "Come to the dark side. We have cookies." And after that, I have a picture that says, "Welcome to the dark side." Are you surprised to lie about the cookies?
Really? Mom likes me best.
She doesn't. She doesn't.
Yeah, she does, ho. Mom likes me best.
Well, really, I have a picture that says, "I wanted to send you something sexy, but the mailman made me get out of mailbox."
Oh yeah. Really? Really? I dare you to poke me, ho. Check it out, my penguin. Yeah. Look at it, bitch.
Well, I have a tooth fairy that says, "The tooth fairy teaches children that they can sell their body parts for money." Oh yeah. Life lessons, honey.
We're all gonna die, but I have a helmet. Yeah, bitch.
I have a picture that says, "I tried it at home."
Really? Really? Today I will be happier than the birds with a french fry. Yeah.
I have a picture that says, "I see dumb people."
Oh no, you didn't. No. Really? Really?
Mhm.
Hold on, they won't charge.
Mhm.
Oh yeah? My pet rock died today.
Oh my god.
Yeah, bitch, admit it. You can't deal with this.
Yes, I can. I have a dinosaur that says "RAR." That means I want to get in your pants and dinosaur.
Oh,
Oh yeah, you can't do better.
Really? Really? Really?
Yeah.
Check it out. Oh my gosh! That's you!